Hi everyone, Trina here. Today we're going to be working on a watercolor on the Canson XL paper. Thought I'd try that out again today. I'm just going to make some marks through here, kind of get going a little bit. We're going to try our big giant mop brush today and see how that works for making a very dramatic sky. But before we get started with that, I've got my Caran Neocolor I wax crayon here, and I'm going to make some marks through here as a resist like we did yesterday because I really like that effect. So this is just going to resist that watercolor paint and give us hopefully some fun marks. And hopefully I won't forget that I put this down and wonder why my paint is not adhering. But it's a really good way to preserve the white space in your work. Okay, so let's get the brush really wet. You want a very damp brush or wet, soggy wet brush. I'm going to lay down some water through here. I'm not sure if I'm going to spray it today. I think we're going to try maybe without. I've got this haze pink color from Schmincke. I really wanted to give a try. So let's get a lot of color on there. I think my issue has been that I've not been using enough color. So we're going to try more color today. Oh, and I got wet there. Okay. So I'm just going to, let's just put down some color through here. Ooh, that's fun. And then let's add in a little bit of the indigo, like up here. Ooh, look how wonderful that's granulating through there, or separating. Oh my gosh, that's pretty. Yeah, I don't think I'm going to spritz it. I think, yeah, I don't think I was using enough color because that's really vibrant. I'm going to take out just a little bit through here though. Let's bring that over a little bit, make it a little bit more wispy. Okay, let's let this dry. I feel like I nailed it. Okay, that's not quite dry yet, but I do want to come in with a little bit more of the Payne's Gray through here. I'm going to probably leave that white, I think. But I kind of wanted to get this color down so it can all dry at the same time. Because I want to go back in. I want to put a line through here. And I kind of want to bring it down just a little bit. And then I want to add in a little bit of that raw umber color as well. Just through here. I might want to put some more marks. I'm really liking. I'm liking this effect of the watercolor and the wax. I think it's really cool. Because it's kind of forcing me to be a little bit more conscious of color. I'm going to bring some of this color up here through here though. Okay, I'm going to let all this dry. And then we'll come back and see where we're at. Okay, I'm going to come back in. This is now dry. Come back in and add just a little bit more of this umber color through here. A little bit thicker, less water. add a little bit of contrast. Okay, I'm going to come in with a little bit of this Caran Dash. This is the Sahara Yellow. And I just want to add a few little highlights in here. But I just need something down here at the bottom to kind of bring in some texture and some color. Maybe it needs a little bit in the clouds. Let's take just a little bit here. I'm just going to get this a little wet on my brush. Ooh, I like that. So I don't really want to add a whole nother watercolor to it, but maybe just this little wash. Ooh, I think that does something. Okay, I'm going to add some black marks to it because I don't really think I want to do anything else to it. I like how it just came out. Like, that never happens. But I do want to add some black marks. I think, like, right through here. And maybe just black marks today. I think we're going to keep this one pretty simple. Maybe just a few, like, skinny ones through here. Yeah, I think I'm done. I know this is going to be a short video, but I'm not quite sure what else I want to do to it. So let's take the tape off and see how it looks with the mat. I mean, sometimes you just get there. And like I said, I've been trying to not overwork images. I like how this one turned out from the beginning, like that that pink color was very nice. Okay, I got a clean new mat. Look at that. And that one fits almost perfectly. Probably go right there. Okay. What do we think? Actually, now that I'm looking at it, hold on. I'm going to go in with the, my very sad deep indigo ink tints to just kind of come through here a little bit. And this is wet. I just felt like it needed maybe a little bit of a darker mark through there. Not sure if this is adding anything or subtracting anything. Oh, crap. Get it a little wetter. Yeah, I like that better. And maybe also I want to yeah, I like that. Okay, so really all I did with this one was I used the indigo and the haze pink in the sky, and then the umber down here with the crayon, which worked out really well. I like the black marks. I love this pink color, and it has just these little hints of blue in it. That was all from the paint. I didn't do that. So that's a really fun color. I guess I could have brought the blue down a little bit more, but I kind of wanted that pink to be the main star right there. I love the crayon, and I like the color combo. It's dramatic, but it's not over dark, which I think is really cool. Okay, so short video today. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you soon with another video. Thanks so much. Bye.